this one is so big.
Especially ladies and gentlemen, yeah, today I have free time everyone, so now I'm finding food at fair ladies everyone, you can see. So what kind of food I'm going to find today, so everyone please wait and watch my video until the end, so start to find food with me.
Wow, everyone, yeah. Oh, a lot of. This one is so big. Oh, oh. Oh, a lot of eel. Try more, everyone. Everybody, I get a lot of eel, so I think it is enough for my food today. So go home to cook it with me. Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. So now we start to root our eel, everyone. We root it with this tool and also this ingredient. This ingredient I'm going to tell you step by step and tell you clear when we start to cook. So now let's me start to cook. First we cut our lemongrass step by step and cut it to be smaller. Then we cut our casper lamb, cut chili, and then kalangka, garlic, turmeric. We start to mix ingredient on our eel. We add the ingredient that we already cut. Add sugar. Add some cheese. Salt. Oyster sauce. And then mix it. Mix it to be well. After that, we use this tool to roast our eel in the fire, everyone. We line our eel. Line it like this for easy to cook. Line it like this and then add ingredient on eel. Now we start to root our eel, everyone. We bag it. I think our eel is already cooked, so can eat. It smells so good. Wow, everyone, it's really yummy. The best, everyone. The best there. The best taste, everyone. You can try it by follow my video from the start until the end. So now I think it is time to say goodbye, everyone. But before I say goodbye, everybody, don't forget help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more the amazing food like this, everyone. Especially
to see more the roles of living in countryside. So now let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye and thank you for watching my video.